Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The entertainment industry today marked Blackout Tuesday to honor George Floyd. Thousands posted with the hashtag "The show must be paused," and black posts were seen all across Instagram. The initiative called for today to be used as a day to disconnect from work and reconnect with our community via an urgent step of action to provoke accountability and change. The movement was joined by major record labels like Universal Music Group, which quoted Martin Luther King, "There comes a time when silence is betrayal." Interscope Records announced that it will not release music this week. Atlantic Records announced that the music business will not be business as usual. And New York-based VP Records, which was started in Jamaica, asked people to stand together in the ongoing pursuit of justice. E-Prime spoke with the Vice President of VP Records, Aaron Talbert, who described the initiative as unprecedented.
This is an unprecedented situation, and it's the first time, to my knowledge, that the industry as a whole, or certainly during the time of my time in the music industry, has made a call like this for all of us to unite around a particular cause or event.
VP Records sees this as a time for the industry to unite and be a voice for Black community in the United States.
The music community has long been a force for social change, and it's important that VP Records participates in this industry-wide initiative to bring voice to people who are not being heard, to deal with issues that on a national or international level seem so hard to move, and to really look at it on a local level. And that's how we're interpreting it, is that this is a day to look at what change could be affected locally and how we might bring those things to bear.
VP Records' home base, New York, has over the past few days seen riots and looting, which has changed the narrative and focus from the call for justice for George Floyd and an end to the racial divide in the United States. The labels are also encouraging people to donate to the George Floyd Memorial Fund, which has reached over $9 million to date from over 300,000 donors. The target was $1.5 million. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.